Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you for all the love on my last behind the scenes video. Today I have another BTS video from a shoot I did back in November. I always want my work to be quite bold and I love working with themes that are a bit more edgy, so for today's shoot the theme was punk. With a theme like this, the focus is really about the hair, the makeup and the styling. So I really wanted to go for a kind of basic editorial setup with about 2 or 3 different light variations. Before we get into the video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more photography content, and let's get into it. So as I mentioned, I kept the light really simple using 3 strobes, 2 on the background and 1 on the model. To really separate the model from the background, I used 4 black polyboards, which added more contrast and stopped the light from bouncing everywhere. So for this setup, I used a large deep silver umbrella from Profoto. This light is large enough to illuminate her whole body, but still give me a sharp contrasty light with a nice shadow fall off on the side of her face. I positioned the light above and at a 45-degree angle, which is really going to illuminate one side of her face, and the other side is going to be more in the shadows to give me more of that edgy look that I was going for. Troy, tell us about this makeup look.
Art.
So for this next setup, I turned up the lights on the background to make it white and also moved the light on the model overhead. I swapped out the umbrella for a zoom reflector, which is going to give me more direct, hard light from above. And to fill in the shadows under her chin and add a catch light to the eyes, I just used a large silver reflector. I always tether in to capture one on set. This allows me to make edits and crops of the photos and also allows the team to see the photos and make any adjustments to hair, makeup or styling. So that's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you want to see more of my photos, make sure you follow me on Instagram at IanHippo. I've also linked all the team's details down below so you can check them out as well. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my last behind the scenes video and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.